मुंबई वासियों के जीवन को आसान बनाने के लिए गोखले ब्रिज का एक हिस्सा खोला गया, लेकिन इस ब्रिज का अब लोग मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं। इस ब्रिज के इंजीनियरिंग से लोग हैरान हैं और सोशल मीडिया पर तरह तरह के पोस्ट सामने आ रहे हैं। मुंबई के गोखले ब्रिज को पहले से बने एक फ्लाईओवर से जोड़ना था, लेकिन अब गोखले पुल और बर्फी वाला पुल को जोड़ने वाले पुल के बीच मिस अलाइनमेंट है, यानी इसमें 3 से 6 फीट का अंतर है। आम लोगों के साथ ही अब इस पर सत्ता पक्ष और विपक्ष आपस में भिड़ गए हैं। फिलहाल राजनीति से परे इसे प्रैक्टिकली समझने के लिए देखिए हमारे सहयोगी अरुणील की खास रिपोर्ट।
In July 2018, this Gokhale Bridge had collapsed. 2 people unfortunately had lost their life, and after that the life entirely had changed for the citizens of Andheri West, citizens of prominent and plush areas of Mumbai like Juhu, Versova, Lokhandwala. They basically take this Gokhale Bridge to reach the main Western Express Highway. Now you can see my video journalist Chandan Singh basically is showing you the Gokhale Bridge is been made after 6 long years, and the kind of horrifying difficulties that the citizens from Andheri West faced, the Gokhale Bridge is been made. However, there is still no respite for the residents over here. The reason for that is, you can see the Gokhale Bridge basically used to connect with the Barfiwala Bridge. Now, my video journalist basically will be showing you how the Barfiwala Bridge and the Gokhale Bridge, there is a difference of more than 2 feet over here, 2 feet difference over here, around 6 feet one can say. That is why there is no connection. This is a major engineering gaffe that has come to the fore. Again, the cash-rich BMC, Asia's richest civic body, is blaming the railways for it, saying that we were asked by the railways to increase the height of the Gokhale Bridge, and that is why this connection didn't take place. Remember in 2018 as well, when the Gokhale Bridge had collapsed, killing 2 people and also causing grave difficulties to the residents, the BMC had put the blame and the onus on the railways only. And now also, because of this engineering blunder, the 2 bridges don't connect. It is extremely shocking. It is in fact unacceptable to a very large extent. And now also we see blame game being played between the BMC and the railways, and it is the citizens who basically are bearing the brunt. It is the citizens who are suffering because of it.